balay. Oy, og dili pwede mo undang og baktas og dili mga tastas. Well, ang penguin lakaw na.
Ito. Video. Dili. Ayun. Ano yung gusto niya? Kaksong pag matulog. A Bible story by Jonah. One day, God told Jonah to go to the city of Nineveh. He must warn the people to stop doing evil things. And if they do not change, God will destroy the city. Instead of going to Nineveh, Jonah got on a ship and sailed away in the opposite direction. Jonah went to Tarshish. God sent a big storm to the sea. The storm ended after the sailors threw Jonah overboard. Then God sent a big fish to swallow him. Jonah stayed there for 3 days and 3 nights. Jonah prayed and thanked God for saving him. He also promised to obey God. God forgave him and put him safe on the dry land. Jonah went to Nineveh and told the people to ask God to forgive their sins. The people of Nineveh listened and changed their ways. God forgave the people and didn't destroy their city after all. The end. Bible story of Jonah.
Ayong paglabyo.
Ayun. Malipong na. Hi, baby. 2 weeks old na kakaroon. Aching! Up. Pa-burp na ako akong baby. Mag 1 hour siya nagdidi. Up. Hi. Newborn stage, baby. para ligo among bibiron kay nagulan, cold ang weather, punas ng meron.